friends, in this video I'll show you how to print Hello World on LCD using Arduino through the Proteus simulation. So first of all we'll see the pin configuration of the LCD. So this is how the pins are arranged in the LCD from 1 to 16. The functions of the various pins are mentioned here in this table with the label also. Next we will see the connection. So this is how we are going to make the connections. You will get a better understanding when I will do the connection in Proteus. Same thing I have written here in words. So now we will move on to the simulation part. So here you can see that I have already made the connection. So for selecting the different elements, what you need to do is click on this P, just search here whatever you want. Like first of all I'll give you one example of searching Arduino. So Arduino, you can find it here. Click on OK, it will appear here. Then click on this and place it here wherever you want. In this way you can select the different elements. This is LCD, the model number for this LCD. Port HG is the potentiometer. So what we need to do is we need to connect this first pin of the LCD to ground, the second pin of the LCD to supply, and third pin to variable point of the potentiometer. Fifth pin is connected to 12th pin of the Arduino board. Fifth pin is connected to ground. Fourth pin is connected to the 12th pin. Fifth pin is connected to ground. Sixth pin is connected to 11th. Similarly, this 12, 13, 11, 12, 13 and 14 pins, these are connected to 5, 4, 3, 2 of the Arduino respectively. Now we need to dump the code in this Arduino. So now I'll show you the coding. So this is the code to print Hello World. I have already discussed in one of my video, but I'll explain you here also. So this is how we are going to connect the pins. I have mentioned here also in form of comment. First of all, we'll define the library of the liquid crystal, that is LCD. Second, we'll tell the interfacing pins, that is which pins of the Arduino will be interfaced with LCD, that is 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we'll begin with the main code, that is LCD begins 16, 2, means we are using a LCD of 2 rows and 16 columns. First we'll clear the LCD, then we'll print Hello World. This void loop section will leave as it is. Now we'll execute this code. So this code has been successfully compiled. So now what we need to do, we need to copy this hex file. This is the location of our main file. We'll copy this and we'll go to this simulation model and we'll paste it here, whatever we have copied. And now we'll click on OK. Now I'll simulate it. So for simulation you need to click on this button. So now you can see that it's printing Hello World in first row and first column. So this is how we can print the Hello World on LCD in Proteus. So for further connection related issues, you can see my previous video, the link of which is mentioned in the video description. So please like, subscribe and share for future updates.